Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video we are going to continue the more questions on permutation and combination. So let's start with the question number 1. So already in the previous video we have did a lots of questions on permutation and combination. So hope this video will be the last. Okay. So question number 1 is from here. Okay, so this is a question number 1. They showed the number of ways in which the 5 players can be selected from 9 players. So 5 players we have to select from 9 players. The word selected is there, means it is a chosen combination. So from 9 players we have to select 5 players. But so that 3 particular players are always included. 3 particular players are always included. Included means you will do minus in both N and in R. So it's a 3, so minus 3, 9 minus 3 is 6, C, 5 minus 3 is 2, 6C2. Yeah. The number of ways 4 balls can be chosen out of 9 balls. So from 9 balls we have to choose, means combination 4 balls, so that 2 balls are always included. Included means we have to do minus from both N and from R. So 9 minus 2 is 7, C2. Okay, 7C2. 7C2. So you can solve in just one minute. Just in the question, in the examination they will ask maximum including excluding type of question. Okay. The number of ways a volleyball team of 5 can be chosen. Chosen means combination out of batch of 10 players. So from 10 you have to select a 5, so that a particular player is always excluded. Excluded means only we have to do minus in the N. So a particular means 1. 10 minus 1, 9C5. 9C5. Okay. Now next is, out of 4 red balls and 3 white balls in a bag, only 1 red and 1 white ball is selected. So question is very easy peasy. So this is a question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, now question number 4. You have to solve for question number 4. What they have said in the question number 4 is, out of 4 red balls, we have a 4 red balls and 3 white balls. So we have a 4 red balls and we have a 3 white balls. In a bag, only 1 red and 1 white ball is selected. So selected means combination. Only 1 red and 1 white ball is selected. In how many ways can this be done? So very simple, very simple. From 4 red we have to select a 1 red, and means multiply. From 3 white we have to select 1 white. That's it. 4C1. 4C1 is what? 4, because 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 1. 3 factorial into 1 factorial. So 3 it is 4 into 3 factorial is 3. So sorry, 3C1 is 3 only. 3 factorial by 3. 4 3 the 12. Answer is 12. Answer is 12, right? Yeah. Okay, now next question number 5. This is a question number 5. In an examination, so here we have to think a lot. Okay, in an examination, a student has to answer 3 questions. So student have to answer question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. So student has to answer 3 questions out of 6 questions. Means out of 6 questions the student have to answer 3 questions. So question number 3 and question number 4 are compulsory. Okay, think we have a total of 6 questions here. Total of question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this 6 question the student have to answer any 3 questions. Okay, so what we are doing, okay, fine, we'll see. Question number 3 and 4 are compulsory. Means question number 3 and 4 means these two questions are compulsory, means these two questions will be compulsory. Okay, we cannot able to change these two questions. So the number of ways in which the student can make the choice means combination. So the number of ways in which the student can make the choice. So this, see, out of the three questions, the two questions are compulsory. You cannot able to change that two question. So what are the remaining how many questions are there? 1 2 3 4. So from remaining 4 questions you have to select just one question. 4C1 is 4. Answer is 4. Now we'll come for the next problem. So next problem is, yeah, okay, this is the next problem. Okay, the question number 6. Yes, this is the question number 6. These are the different words beginning and ending with a vowel that can be made with the letters of the word equation. So we have a word, question number 6, we have a word equation. Okay, we have a word equation. In that it says that, yeah, a beginning and ending is with vowels. What is it here? Beginning and ending with vowel. So equation means 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So beginning and ending we have to do this, and ending this we want vowels. So how many vowels are there? E1, A, E, I, O, U, I, U. So A, 1 2 3 4 5 vowels are there, right? A, E, I, O, U. So from 5 vowels, okay, we have to, guys, see here in the question is the different words beginning and ending with a vowel that can be made with the letters of the word equation. So if we don't have any word of select, selected, choose, chosen, so it is a permutation, because these letters of the word equation or like that type of question is a permutation question. So what they have given here, so from 5 vowels we will arrange the 2 vowels at the beginning and at the ending. So at the beginning and ending we will arrange with the any 2 vowels. Suppose we'll arrange with these 2 vowels at the beginning and at the ending. So done. And this is of the question part, and we have to see the remaining part. So what are the remaining part? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 places we have to arrange the 6 alphabet. 6p6 is what? 6 factorial. This 5p2 into 6 factorial. This is the answer. That's it. Very simple. Now question number 6 is done. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now next question number 7. Yeah, this one. This is the question number 7. The number of ways that the letters of the word victory can be rearranged, we know, but the condition is vowels may come together. So vowels may come together. So first of all we'll write the word, question number 7. We'll write the word victory. 7. Victory. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. The 2 vowels are there. The condition is the vowels can come together. So one, except the vowels, 1 2 3 4 5. Right, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, and this is for the vowels which will come together. This O and I, this will come together. Okay. So how many ways we can arrange? We know that it is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 factorial, and none of the number means none of the alphabets are repeating. So 6 factorial. So this is of the whole question, 6 factorial, and for this which is occurring together is a vowel. How many vowels? 2 vowels. and none of them are repeating. So 6 factorial into 2 factorial. 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Now next question number 8. The number of arrangements that can be made out of the letters in the expression x2 y3. So question number 8. It is the x square y cube z power 4. This means how we can write x square means x2, y3 means this y3, z4 means this z4. So what we have to do? We have to arrange, right? It is also a permutation. Here also we don't have any word of select, chosen and all, and this type of letters will come means it is of a permutation only. So what will happen? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 factorial divided by, obviously we know in the permutation what is repeating, we have to write at the denominator. So this 2, x is repeating, not yours. So x is repeating 2 times, so 2 factorial. Y is repeating 3 times, 3 factorial. Z is repeating 4 times, 4 factorial. So let's see the option. Yes, 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay, see, easy, very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done with the 8. Now this is the question number 9. 6 jobs are vacant. How many jobs are vacant? 6 jobs are vacant in an office. So 10 women and 4 men applied for this job. Okay. Question number 9. So 10 women and 4 men, right? 10 women and 4 men are applied for this job, and from this we have to select the only 6 because 6 jobs are vacant. Okay, in how many ways can these posts be filled so that men and women should be given equal number of posts? Okay, see that 6 jobs are available and we have to fill like that, so that's why men and women will get the equal number of posts. Equal number of posts means 3 for the men, 3 for the women, equal number, right? So from 10 women we have to select the 3 women, and from the 4 men we have to select the 3 men. So that's why each will get an equal number of posts. 3 plus 3, 6. So what we have to do? We have to do a selection. So this type of question is what? Selection. So 10 C3 women and men. So and for men is what? From 4 we have to select the 3. So what is the answer? Oh, we have to expand it. Okay, so 10C3 into 4C3. 10C3 into 4C3. So what will happen this? Okay, we'll solve it here. 10C3 into 4C3. So it is 10C3. So 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3. 7 factorial into this 3 factorial and 4C3. So 4 factorial by 4 minus 3. 1 factorial into 3 factorial. So 10 factorial, till which factorial we will write? We will write till 7 factorial. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 3 factorial. So 7 will get cancelled. 3 factorial is what? 6. We can write 3 into 2, and this is 4 factorial is 4 only. Okay, so it will get cancelled. 2 4 the 8, 3 3 the 9. So it will become 10 3 the 30, 30 into 4, 120, 120 into 4 is 480. Let's see the answer. Yes, it's a 480. Now we'll come for the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10. There are 12 persons in a party hall. So 12 persons in a party hall. Everyone in the hall hand shakes with each other. So they are shaking the hands with each other. So this is a very important thing. Okay, this is a very important thing that you have to remember is number of handshakes. Whenever the question comes for the handshakes, okay, handshake. So handshakes, we have a one formula for handshake. Handshake formula is NC2. Handshake, if they will say to find the total number of handshake, we have a formula for that, NC2. N means the total number of persons. So they said there are 12 persons in a party hall. everyone in the hall shakes hand with each other, the total number of handshakes. So if they will say to find the total number of handshake, the formula for the total number of handshake is NC2. Formula for the total number of handshake is NC2. So now N is what? Total number. So 12. So 12C2. 12C2 is the answer. So 12C2, we have to find out what is the 12C2. Okay. 12C2 means 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 2, 10 factorial into handshake is a combination. Remember, the handshake is a combination. And handshake we have a formula of NC2. Handshake we have a formula of NC2. So 12C2, 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 2, 10 into this. So 12 factorial, what we will write? 12 into 11 into 10 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 2 factorial is 2. So it will get cancelled. It will become 6. 11, 6, the 66 handshakes. So yeah, 66 handshake. You'll go and do handshakes. Okay. Now next they have asked is no, this is the question number 11. Right, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Question number 11. Everybody in a room shakes hand with everybody else. So they are going and they're shaking hand for everybody else. Okay. The total number of handshake is 45. Find the number of person in the room. So what we know that? We know that total number of handshakes is 45. So what is the formula for total number of handshake is NC2. Total number of handshake is NC2. NC2 is 45. NC2 is how much? NC2 is 45. So we have to find the N. So what we will do? We are not going to expand this and all. Okay. What we have to do is we have to use a very small trick. A small trick is we will use this option 6, 10, 12, none. So we will see 6, 10, 12, none. We will substitute each and every options and we will see in which we will get the 45. So 6C2, first we will take with 6C2, it will become 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial into 2. So it will go till 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, 4 factorial will get cancelled, so it will become 6 into 5 by 2. So 5 3 the 15, it's coming 15, no, not 6. Then 10C2, it will become 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 2 is 8 factorial and 2 factorial is 2. So it will become 10 into 9 into 8, 8 factorial will get cancelled here. So 2 5 the 9 5 the 45. Yeah. So 45 equals 45. So answer is 10. That's it. No need of expanding everything like a combination and you are doing each and every steps. No, because see that this is a competitive examination and no one cares about your steps. No one cares about your steps. What they will care? They will care is only the final answer. So don't waste the time in calculating the steps and all. Yeah, this is a question number 12. Yes. A committee of 3 is to be formed from 3 boys and 5 girls. The number of ways the committee can be formed in such a way that it contain at least one boy. So from 5 girls and okay. Next question number 12. So from 5 girls and 3 boys we have to make a committee of 3. And what is the condition? Condition is at least one boy. At least one boy must and should be there. So at least one boy. So first what we'll do, we'll take a first condition we can take is 1 boy, 2 girls, right? Then 2 boys, 1 girl, and then 3 boys, 0 girl. So we have to take the 3 condition we can take because they have said at least 1 boy. So first we'll take for 1 boy. So from 3 boy we'll select the 1 boy and Because see, at least one boy, so one boy, two boy, three boys, only they are given the condition for boys, they don't have any condition for the girls. Can be formed in such a way that at least one boy should be there. So we have to make a three members. So if we'll take a one boy, so two girls, three, two boys, so one girl, three boys means no girl, so three. So 3c1 for the boy, 3c1 and for the girl, and means multiply 5c2. You have to solve this much, then it will become 3c2 into 5c1, then it will become 3c3 into 5c 0. So 3c1 means 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 1, 2 factorial, 2 will get is 3. So 3, this is 3 into 5c2, 5c2 means it will become 5 factorial by 5 minus 2, 3 factorial and 2 factorial is 2, so 5 into 4, so it will get cancelled to 5 to the 10, so it came 30 here. Okay, it will become 30. Then 3c2 means 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 is 1 factorial and 2 factorial, 2 factorial is 2, so 3 into 2 factorial, so 3 into 2, to 2 will get cancelled, so 3 into 5c1, 5c1 is 5 only, so it is 15, and 15, and next what is next, we will do 3c3. 3c3 is 3 factorial, yeah, it is 1 into 5c0. 5c0 means 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 0 is same 5 factorial, and 0 factorial is what, remember the thing is 0 factorial is 1, so it will be 1, 5 factorial, it will be 1 answer, so 1. So either this or this or this, we can have a three ways, this way or this way or this way. So or means what, or means addition, so 30 plus 15, 45 plus 1, 46, answer is 46. Okay, now next we will see this question number. Out of 6 boys and 4 girls, same 6 boys and 4 girls, we have a group of 7, so we have to make a group of 7 is to be formed. In how many ways can this be done if a group is to have a majority of boys? So whatever you will make a group, the boys should be in majority. So boys should be in majority means it can be a 4 boys and 3 girls, right? 4 plus 3, 7, and boys here is in majority. 5 boys, 2 girls, right? 5 plus 2, 7, and boys is in majority. 6 boys, 1 girl, 6 plus 1, 7, because boys in majority. 7 boys we can't take, maximum boys is 6, we can't take this condition, 3 boys and 4 girls, 3 plus 4, 7, but here the girls will become in majority. So we have a 3 condition. The first condition is from 6 boys we are selecting 4 boys, and from 4 girls we are selecting the 3 girls. Then from 6 boys we are selecting the 5 boys, and from 4 girls we are selecting the 2 girls. Then here from 6 boys we are selecting a 6 boys, and from 4 boys we are from 4 girls we are selecting a 1 girl. This is a condition. So 6c4 means 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2, 6 into 5, 15, into 4c3, 4c3 is 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3, 1, and 3 factorial, 3, 4, so 15 for that it will become 60, for this 60. Then for this 6c5 means 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 5, 1 factorial, and 5, 1, 6, 6 into 4c2 is 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial and 2 factorial, so 4, 3, 2 to get 4, 6, 36. Okay, 36, and then the 6c1 is 6 factorial, 6 minus 6 is 0 factorial, and this 0 factorial, so 1 into 4c1 is 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 1, 3 factorial is the 4, so 4 1 the 4, so 6 plus 36, sorry 60 plus 36, 96 plus 400, so 100. Yeah, answer is 100. Simple thing, you have to use the small brain. Okay, Now we will solve the, okay, this PDF I will share you in the Telegram channel. Now we have a few more questions which we are going to solve. Okay, so this question means we have to write. चलो लिख लेते हैं. Okay, so this question we have to write. So we have completed till question number 1 2 3 4 5 plus 8 13. We have completed till question number 13. Now we have a few 10 more questions which are the very important. Few more questions are there. Okay, so let's start with that. So we'll start from a question number 14. So yeah, so we'll start till from question number 14. So wait a minute, just a minute. Okay, so okay, just a minute. Okay, so okay, okay, so question number 1 is we have a NP6 equals 20 into, this is 20, okay, 20 into NP4. NP6 equals 20 into NP4. Okay, so we have an option. We have option 5 3 9 8. 5 3 9 8. We have option 5 3 9 8. Okay, so what we will do, we will substitute, right? We will substitute same thing, permutation. So 5, obviously we know guys, n should be greater than r. So 5p6, no, 5 cannot be. 3p6, no, 3 cannot be, because the n should have to be greater. Here you have to find the value of n. We know that n must and should have to be greater than r. Then 9 or either 8. So 9p6, 9p6 means we will go, we will take the 9 till 9 factorial till how many? 6 step. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so it will become 60480. So 20 into 9p4. 9p4 means 9 factorial till 4 steps. Then we will get 3024 into 20. Yeah, 60480. For both we are getting this. So answer is 9. Okay, now we will go for the next question number. Next question number 15. किधर गया क्वेश्चन? A person can go from place A to B. A person can go from place A to B by 11 different modes. 11 different A to B, not that A to B. Okay, A to B by 11 different modes of transport. But while returning it is allowed to use other transport mode than the earlier one. So we have to find the number of ways in which it can able to complete the journey. So we know that a person can go from place A to B by 11 different modes. Obviously we did this, right? A to B, if it is going by 11 different modes, from going A to B it have 11 different modes. But while returning it is allowed to use other transport mode than the earlier one. So by which the earlier one he gone, he cannot able to go by that, he have to come, sorry, by which earlier transport he has used and he went there, by while coming he is not going to use that transport. Means for coming it will become 10 transport. So 11 into 10 is 110. So this type of sums we have already did before. The answer is 110. Now we'll go for the next question, number 16. Okay, question number 16 is find the number of ways. Okay, we have to find the number of ways. Number of ways 5 boys. Number of ways 5 boys and 5 girls. Number of ways 5 boys and 5 girls can be seated at a round table, such that no two boys are adjacent. So adjacent means what, guys? Adjacent means pakka, means beside of you. Okay, just beside. So the condition is there a number of ways. Find the number of ways in which 5 boys and 5 girls. So 5 boys and 5 girls can be seated around table. A round table means circular permutation. A round table. So guys, we don't have a condition for girls. We have a condition like no 2 boys are adjacent. What is the condition like? No 2 boys are adjacent. We don't have a condition for girls. So for girls we don't have a condition. So 5 girls are there. So it can able to sit in a 5 ways. 5 factorial, right? Because for a girls we don't have any condition. So 5 factorial. And for boys we have a condition that no 2 boys are adjacent. So and what will happen? No 2 boys are adjacent means 5 minus 1 factorial. So 5 factorial into 5 minus 1 is 4 factorial. So when you will solve this 5 factorial means, want to give me these 5 for the 20, 23 the 60, 60 to the 120. 120 into 4 factorial is 4 to the 12, 12 to the 24. Yeah. 120 into 24. You will get the answer is 2880. That's it. Okay. Now we'll go for the next question, number 17. Okay, next question is we completed with, I think so, 16 questions. We have completed with 16 questions. Now we'll go for the next question, number 17. Okay, see, this type of questions we have already did. Like there are 10 flights operating between city A and B. So between city A and B there are 10 flights. Okay, the question is there are 10 flights operating between city A and city B. So from city A and city B you have a 10 flights. To find the number of ways in which a person can travel from city A to city B and return by a different flight. Obviously we know it is for going from city A to city B, it have a 10 possible ways, 10 flights. but for coming back with a different flight means by which one flight it will go, it cannot able to come by that flight. So while coming back it have a 9 ways. So 10 into 9, answer is 90 flights. Yeah. Next is next question number 18 is, okay, question number 18 is, in how many different ways, you have to find the different ways, in how many different ways can the letters, in how many different ways can the letters of the word, can the letters of the word detail, okay, find the number of ways, you have to find the number of ways. Can the letters of the word detail be arranged? Detail be arranged such that, such a way that vowels occupy the odd position. This type of question also we have did. Vowels occupy the odd position. Vowels occupy the odd position. These are very simple. So it is a detail. So we'll write detail only, right? Yeah, detail. So vowels will occupy the odd positions. How many positions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they said vowels will occupy the odd positions. What are the vowels? E and A, I. 3 vowels are there. A, E, I. So 3 vowels are there. It will occupy the odd position. Odd position is 1, 3, 5. So in this 3 odd position we have to arrange, because we know this type of word and all it will come, it is a permutation only, and in this we don't have any select chosen, so it is a permutation. So in these 3 odd places we will arrange the this, see in this 3 1 2 3 odd places we will arrange the 3 vowels. In these 3 odd places we will arrange the 3 vowels, and means multiply, and remaining 1 2 3 again 3 places and 3 alphabets, so it will become 3 factorial, because 3 places 3, so 3 factorial. 3p3 is also, we know that it is what, 3 factorial only. So 3 factorial into 3 factorial, 3 factorial is 3 to the 6 into 3 factorial 3 to the 6, 6 is the answer is 36. Okay, answer is 36. Okay, next we have a question number 19. Okay. Question number 19 is, they said a business house wishes to elevate, a business house wishes to elevate two of its 6 branch heads. Okay, business house wishes to elevate 2 of its 6 branch head. In how many ways these elevation can take place? What we have to find is to find in how many ways these elevations can take place. Okay, so if business house wishes to elevate 2 of its 6 branch, means from 6 branch it want to elevate the 2 branch head. Okay, from 6 branch head it wants to elevate the 2 branch head, means from 6 branch head it have to select the 2 branch head. That is a selection, so 6C2 is the answer. Okay, so guys, you have to see the option. If the option is like this 6C2, we have to remember, keep the answer like this. If it is expandable form, then we have to expand 6 factorial by 6 minus 2, 2 factorial. 6 minus 2, 4 factorial, 2 factorial is 2, so it will become 6 minus 5, 2, 3 the 3, 5 the 15. Answer is 15. Okay, and guys, you have to be a very quick in the calculation. Next question is question number 20. They said the number of four letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word dictionary. Letter of the word dictionary. Okay, so obviously we know if you will get this type of like letters of the word dictionary, this is all what? This is a permutation. This is all what? This is a permutation. So by using the word dictionary, you have to make a 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word dictionary. So how many letter is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So from 10 we know this type of question like using the words and all dictionary and all, this is a permutation. So 10 p and you have to make a 4-letter words. So from 10 letters we will arrange the 4 letters. So 10p4 is the answer. Okay, if you will expand it will become 5040. Okay, and then okay, yeah, so wait a minute. Okay, so yeah, this is the, so how many like we did almost 60 questions, right? First video we have completed 18 questions, second video we have completed the 22 questions, 22 plus 18 is 40, and this video we have completed a 20 questions. So we have completed the 60 questions for the permutation and combination. So if you will carry out this, means if you will cover up these 60 questions, means it will be enough for you that you can score 3 marks or 4 marks in this chapter. Okay guys, so keep on doing the practice, keep on doing the revisions, and the same we are conducting a continuous test for each and every chapter. So tomorrow you have a test for permutation and combination, and we did the test for all the 4 chapter of logical reasoning and for the ratio and proportion also. So like that only, as I am covering the chapters, with that we will take a test based upon that chapter. So what will happen, as you will complete the chapter, that next you will write test, so your concept will become clear, and wherever you are lagging behind, keep on solving the more number of sums, then only you will become perfect in mathematics. Otherwise moi. Okay, next attempt. So the thing is, if you want to give the test, if you want a more practice papers and all, so in the description I have my Telegram channel, so you can join to my Telegram channel, and there you will get the test questions and this all PDFs, okay, for the practice sums. Okay guys, so thank you. So this is the end for the permutation and combination chapter. Next class we will start with a new chapter. Thank you guys, bye bye, take care, we'll meet in the next video.